Hello everyone. Today we will be solving the problem B of Codeforces round 723. So in this question we will be given a number, and we need to tell that this number can be formed by using any of these numbers 1 1, that is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. We can use this number any number of time, even 0 times. So we need to tell that the given number can be formed by these numbers or not. So first we'll see some examples, and we'll understand the theory part, then we'll move to the code part. So now let's say we are given 33, and we need to check that 33 can be formed by using these numbers 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and so on. We need to check that 33 can be formed using these numbers or not. So we can say that 33 can be formed or not. It depends on 22, because 22 if 22 can be formed, then by adding 22 by adding 11 to 22 we can form 33, right? So then again 22 can be formed or not, that depends on the number 11, and 11 can be formed or not, that depends on the number 0. So whenever we get 0 we can return true, because it will be our base case. So we'll be returning true from here, true, and this will also return true, and this will also return true, right? So we can say that 33 can be formed by using these numbers. Now check another example, that is 144. So we can say that 144 can be formed or not. It and 11 can be used to make 144. So 144 minus 11, that would be 134, right? And also here we can use 111 also, because 111 is smaller than 144. So the result would be 33. Now here again we can use 11, so it will be 1 2 3, and we can use 111 also here, so it would be how much? It would be 23. Now here we can use 11 again, so it will be how much? 1 1 and 2, and we can use 111 also, so that would be 1 and 2. Okay, so let's build the tree here also. Now 33 can be formed or not, it depends on 11. So you can say that here 22, and 22 will depend on 11, and 11 will depend on 0, right? So we can say that 0, we have reached 0, so this will return true, this will return true, and so on, right? Sorry, true, and this will return true. And we can if we move forward, then we can see that 23 cannot be formed, right? So it will return false. And also 123 11 12 this can be formed if we move further, like 12 minus 11 would be equals to 1, so 1 cannot be formed, and it will return false, right? And it will return false. So it will so this will return false also, and this will also return false, this will return false. So we can say that if we take this root, then 144 can be decomposed into 0, right? So 144 would be summation of 111 plus 11 plus 11. So we have found some values from this array such that they sum up to 144, right? So this is how we will be doing the code. So one thing to notice is that this series 11 111 and 111, so how long we need to check? So the last element of this would be 11111 1111, so 9 times. Why is this so? The reason is that in the question it is given n is an integer, right? So n is an integer, so the maximum element of n can be this 111 times, right? First take the input and let's call the function fun. If fun returns true, then it means that um, uh, the n can be can be decomposed into 11111. Fun1 returns true, then we'll print out yes, else we'll print out no. Now first let's write the base condition. If n is equal to 0, then we'll be returning true, right? Now the maximum value that sums up to the given number, that could be 9 times, because the n value given in the question will be in the integer range, so that is less than 10 to the power 9, so 10 to the power 9, so we can say that the maximum value could be 1111 9 times, right? Initially we are saying that the n can be decomposed, and now what could be the minimum value of base? That would be 11, right? It starts from 11 and then 111 and then 1111 and so on. If base is greater than n, then n can't be decomposed in the form of base. So what we'll be moving to the next smaller base, that is base by 10, and we'll skip the rest of the part of the code. Now if a base is smaller than n, then we can say that if n minus base, this is true, if this becomes true, then we can say that this check will become true, right? And if check is true, then we will return true, right? And after that what we will do is that base is equal to base by 10. Now one thing we can do, that is we can encounter fun of 11 multiple times, so we can store that fun, we can once compute fun of 11 and later we can use. So how we can do that? So we can create a map and we'll store that here, right? So let's say if map dot find If already we have computed, then no need to recompute, then we will return this, right? And okay, I have forgotten one thing. I need to return check here, and so here this will be mpfm. So that's all. Now run the code. So we can say that yes no is getting printed, so the code is correct. Okay, so I will be sharing the code. Let's meet in the next video.